Imagine driving at highway speed when your car begins to sway, subtly at first, then with increasing urgency, almost as if it's dancing on the road. This unpredictable movement, often escalating into a sensation of impending loss of control, is more than just discomfort. It is a critical indicator of underlying mechanical deficiencies that compromise vehicle stability and occupant safety. The initial perception of a dancing car often manifests as a vague oscillation, a lack of solid road feedback, or a tendency for the vehicle to wander from its intended line without direct steering input. This can be particularly alarming during lane changes, braking maneuvers, or when encountering uneven road surfaces, where the vehicle's response becomes imprecise and delayed. Common initial diagnoses frequently point to tire-related issues, such as incorrect inflation pressure, unbalanced wheels, or severe misalignment. While these factors can certainly induce instability, they often represent only the superficial symptoms of a deeper, more systemic problem within the vehicle's dynamic control architecture. The true origin often lies within the suspension system, the complex network of components designed to manage tire contact with the road, absorb impacts, and control the vehicle's attitude. This system dictates how the car reacts to forces exerted during driving, influencing everything from ride comfort to critical safety parameters. Central to suspension performance are the dampers, commonly known as shock absorbers or struts. These components are responsible for controlling spring oscillation, preventing the vehicle from bouncing uncontrollably. A worn damper can lead to excessive body motion and reduced tire contact, creating a disconnected feeling between the driver and the road. However, even with functional dampers, a more insidious flaw can emerge from components often overlooked: the suspension bushings. These small, flexible components made of rubber or polyurethane are pressed into suspension arms, subframes, and other connecting points, serving as pivot points and vibration isolators. The hidden flaw lies in the degradation of these bushings. Over time, exposed to road debris, temperature extremes, and constant load cycles, the material stiffens, cracks, or loses its elastic properties. This seemingly minor component failure fundamentally alters the intended kinematics of the suspension system, leading to the dancing sensation. As bushings degrade, the designed articulation points within the suspension gain unintended play. This lateral movement introduces uncontrolled changes in wheel alignment angles, specifically camber and toe, under dynamic conditions. For instance, a worn control arm bushing allows the wheel to move backward or forward slightly, altering the toe angle. This unwanted geometric shift results in dynamic instability. During cornering, the vehicle's weight transfer places uneven stress on the compromised bushings, causing the wheel angles to deviate from optimal. The tires then track inconsistently, leading to a delayed and unpredictable steering response, forcing the driver to make continuous corrections. The steering system, while robust in itself, becomes a direct casualty of failing suspension bushings. Increased play in the suspension translates directly into a vague steering feel, reduced precision, and an amplified need for constant small steering adjustments to maintain a straight line. The driver experiences a perceived looseness in the steering wheel. Furthermore, this persistent dynamic misalignment accelerates tire wear. Irregular contact patches develop due to the wheels not tracking true, leading to feathering, cupping, or scalloping patterns on the tire tread. This uneven wear then compounds the problem, creating its own set of vibrations and further reducing tire grip and stability. Diagnosing these hidden flaws requires a meticulous inspection beyond simple visual checks. Technicians often need to load the suspension, use pry bars, or conduct specific road tests to identify excessive play in bushings that might appear intact under static examination. Slight movement often indicates significant dynamic failure. The material science behind bushing design is crucial. Modern vehicles employ various elastomer compounds engineered for specific durometer ratings and fatigue resistance. However, no material is impervious to the combined effects of chemical degradation from road salts and oils, mechanical stress, and thermal cycling over extended periods. Neglecting these seemingly minor bushing failures escalates the risk significantly. The uncontrolled motion places undue stress on other suspension components, potentially leading to premature failure of ball joints, tie rod ends, and even structural damage to control arms. Ultimately, the cumulative effect can result in a catastrophic loss of vehicle control, particularly at higher speeds or during emergency maneuvers. The dancing car phenomenon is a critical safety warning, often rooted in the subtle, yet profound, failure of suspension bushings. Their degradation transforms a precisely engineered system into an unpredictable mechanism, underscoring the importance of comprehensive suspension inspection and timely component replacement for maintaining vehicle integrity.